Hello family, welcome back. It's House of Care. This is just an honest product review. Actually, there is no paid ad or whatsoever, just my honest review on this product. For some time now, if you have been following me, you will notice I've been using the tea tree and simple product for quite some time now. Yes, if you have not seen the video, click on the link in the description to watch any of these videos. I've been using the tea tree facial scrub, the tea tree foaming face wash also, and the tea tree cleansing face pads. Yeah, I've been using them for quite some time now. And also the simple moisturizer. Recently I started using the simple toner, the simple facial toner. To be honest, aside the recurring pimples I've been having due to the normal body changes, I guess, yeah, I would say I've noticed a drastic reduction in blackheads and whitehead on my face. You might not see it, but I can see it. This is not a paid advertisement for tea tree product, but to be honest, comparing my face before and after, like, the changes is there. It may not be so obvious, but I know there has been a lot of changes on my face since I started using the tea tree product. Actually, every morning I use the face wash and the facial scrub, and I've noticed the reduction in blackheads and whitehead whatsoever on my face. To be honest, no, I'm not hyping or maybe exaggerating, but this is an honest review. I've noticed the reduction of whitehead and blackheads on my face. So, and I think, let's say 2 or 3 weeks ago, I started using the simple toner, the simple product, the facial toner. To be honest, I've not really been using it in the morning, but I do use it at night before bedtime. Yeah, after using the toner, then I use the serum, and then I use the simple moisturizer. And believe me guys, when I wake up in the morning, like, my face feels so moisturized, like it feels hydrated, it doesn't feel dry anytime I wake up in the morning. That I can say I've confirmed that, and it is working. Although the results might not be visible at the moment, but I can see it. You might be wondering, yes, with all the black spots, pimples on my face, yes, it's not a magic. I'm trusting the process, and I believe and I know that keeping up with this routine, with this product I'm using, then I'll see results. And if not, then there will be changes to my skincare routine. But for now, I'll be sticking to the simple product and the tea tree products for now. I've forgotten the name of the serum, but I'll link out. There will be a picture for you to see the name of the serum I'm using. So this is my honest review on this product. Like, I don't know about you, but for me, for some time that I've been using it now, the tea tree facial scrub, the foaming face wash, the cleansing pad, and sometimes I do use the tea tree oil just once in a while. I've not been regular with that, but just once in a while, I just dab it on my face. So the tea tree products, I've been using them, and I can say for a fact it has reduced the appearance of blackheads and whitehead on my face. And also the simple moisturizer and the simple toner, I've been using that also, and I've noticed that my face always feels hydrated and moisturized early in the morning, even during the night. And when I wake up in the morning, I do notice my face is so healthy. Like, I do feel it in the morning. I do feel my face is being hydrated and moisturized from the product I used the night before. And you might be wondering if these products are expensive. No, they are not expensive. They are so affordable. Let me give you a quick price check. I think I got the tea tree facial scrub for, I think, £1. The foaming face wash, I think, £1 also. The cleansing pad, £1 also. That's £3, right? Yeah. The vitamin C serum I'm using, I got it off Amazon. I think I got it for, I think, £6. Yeah, I think £6 on Amazon. So £6 plus £3, that's £9, right? Yeah. Also the simple facial toner, I think I got that for £3. So 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. And so the face moisturizer, the simple moisturizer I'm using, I think I got that also for £2. So 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, £14. Just £14. Yeah, so it's very affordable. It's cheap and affordable. Although there are more expensive ones, but for now I'm sticking to the simple product and the tea tree product. Aside the vitamin C serum that I got off Amazon, the tea tree product and the simple product I'm using, you can get it from Poundland. I got mine from Poundland. So the total of the skincare product you're seeing is just £14. So just £14 skincare routine is cheap, isn't it? So the total of all this product you're seeing here is just £14. And to be honest, this is my honest review on the simple product and the tea tree product I'm using. And also I'll be dropping the link of where to get this product in case you want to buy online, you want to buy it off Amazon or any other platform. I'll be dropping the link in the description below. So let me know what you think about this product in the comments. Are they okay? Are you trying them? Have you used them before? Or have you seen the product and are yet to use it? Let me know in the comment section what you think about the tea tree and the simple product. Yes, let me know. And also, if you don't mind, let us know what's your skincare routine in the comments. Let me know the product you are using. So let me know what's your take on this, the tea tree product and the simple product. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Please do well to click on the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so, and let me know where you are watching from. Let me know your secret skincare routine and let me know any product recommendation. So thank you all. See you in my next video. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.